MyModes empower users to perform their favorite activities, such as playing table tennis. To add a new MyMode in the connectgo.pro app, tap the plus button and select a preset from the list. To create a MyMode from scratch, use the user-defined preset. To customize a MyMode, activate it with the toggle switch and tap the Settings button. Here you can select an icon, rename the MyMode, and fine-tune the settings as needed. Selecting the motion pattern allows users to switch between the basic mode and a MyMode by bouncing on the forefoot. This can be used in addition to switching modes in the connectgo app. To perform the bouncing pattern, bounce on the forefoot 3 times within 1 second. After the first feedback signal, place the prosthetic foot next to the contralateral foot. A second signal confirms the mode change. Repeating the motion pattern switches the knee joint back to basic mode. To adjust the MyMode parameters, activate the MyMode and continue with Adjust Active Mode. Then select Adjust MyMode to get to the MyMode settings. To view all available parameters, tap Other Settings. At home, users can adjust their MyModes using the connectgo app if needed. The blue bars on the slider indicate the range within which users can make adjustments.